Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. In last lecture, we studied about the factors of industrial location. Those were geographical and non-geographical factor we studied in detail. Today, we are going to start next learning point of this chapter, industrial location chapter. This is centralization and decentralization of industry. A decentralized manufacturing company has multiple facilities that over large area, allowing products to be manufactured and distributed close to customer. Centralized means industry come to each others or in located near in specific region, and because of the bad climatic condition or some land cost problem or labor problem, industry decentralize or move towards the center to another this is push and pull factors are affect on industrial location or centralization or decentralization also. In the highly competitive global market of today, the need to provide highly customized products is causing companies to rethink their manufacturing strategies. With the emerging of raw manufacturing technology, companies of all size can adopt in order to succeed, and the decision for some to migrate from centralized manufacturing to decentralized plant is critical to that success. Regardless of how company grow and adopt their supply chain, could base ERP system are there to facilitate the transaction. Centralized manufacturing. The single factory can dramatically reduce per unit production cost by using the some equipment to produce different products, allowing the company to achieve economics of scale. Research from the non-profit organization show that centralized organizations have manufacturing costs that are about 3% lower than decentralized company. For an organization with $5 billion in annual revenue, this is a difference of $150 million. APQC research also show that raw material inventory turn rate, the production schedule efficiency is higher in the company with the centralized manufacturing. Centralized manufacturing can also enable better forecasting, more local job. Consistent production and more effective use of limited resource. The cost of material may also be lower for centralized manufacturing sites that are located near the source of those material. In spite of these advantages, centralized manufacturing trend to the inflexible because of the cost of customization. For example, if a product has to change to entire system must be retooled, and this is extremely costly and time consuming. The cost of labor can be advantageous especially if the company maintains its central plant in the region or country where wages are rising. Centralized and decentralized workplace. This is the best example of centralization and decentralization. Decentralized manufacturing. Companies with decentralized manufacturing enjoy many benefits that often elude companies with centralized plant. This advantage including flexibility, being closer to their customer, better and timelier information, more motivative manager and employees, and the ability to take advantage of low labor cost in different areas. When a company is physically close to the customer, it can be more flexible in meeting increasingly diverse demands. Greater flexibility means greater customization. Greater customization. A company with decentralized manufacturing are manufacture only those products that are in demand in specific region or country. Flexibility has other rewards as well. For example, communicating locally is more efficient than having to go through multiple channels at a single corporate office. Discussion can be made more quickly. Decentralized manufacturing not only improve the efficiency of decision making, but also improves employees, letting them improve problem areas immediately without approval from a centralized organization. According to the study by Harvard University, decentralized manufacturing actually increase motivation and creativity by giving lower tier manager more responsibilities. When a manager is given a sense of ownership over an operation, efficiency increase among employees in both production and support position. Often a company decentralized in response to increased demand or expanding market. For example, American Nutrition, a major pet food company, started with a single plant in Ogden, Utah. But as the pet food market expanded, the company also expanded in fourth manufacturing plant in Phoenix, Aries, Woodland Wash, and Hazleton Township, Penn, in different 4 cities. Decentralized manufacturing has disadvantage as well. Multiple sites required a large investment of capital to set up. The per unit cost are higher than mass products made in a central plant, and maintaining organization wide consistency in product and process is a challenge. For companies, the manufacturer highly specialized product and distribute them locally. Decentralized manufacturing may not be a best solution. Trends of decentralized manufacturing. In recent decade, trends is change. Trends towards decentralized manufacturing. While some companies with decentralized manufacturing are reshoring overseas plant back to more decentralized US based location in response to increased cost. For example, in China, the arguments in favor to decentralized manufacturing outweigh the argument against. Current manufacturing trends show that more and more companies are choosing a decentralized manufacturing strategy. As global market continue to expand, the demand for customized products has also expanded and new technologies are emerging that make it easier for companies to build customization into their manufacturing process, decreasing the cost of flexibility but not dramatically increasing in per unit cost. One emerging technology is additive manufacturing, popularly known as 3D printing. 3D printing also products and company to the made from the digital model and is rapidly being applied by a range of industries including defense, aerospace, automotive, medical and metal manufacturing. 3D printings enable products to be made in batches as small as one. Setup time or switching costs are low and while per unit manufacturing costs are not as low as a mass manufactured products. 3D printing brings great flexibility and customizability to the manufacturing products. For low demand products, production costs are often lower than the total cost associated with the traditional supply chain. Large manufacturing are planning to make significant investment in 3D printings. General Electrical is one of those companies. Siemens is also investing heavily in technology, planning to use 3D printers to produce spare parts for gas turbine engines. Investment by such large firms will lead to more advanced 3D printers that can work with broadly range of materials. In short, the flexibility of customization that 3D printing brings to manufacturing will make it easy for companies to maintain smaller decentralized factories is different part of the world. Other advance in automation also are help to lower supply chain cost. For example, QA system makes automated warehouse solution that let mobile reboot move products. Amazon recently acquired QA as a part of this plant rollout of more regional center of for same day delivery. As the technology continue to advance, customization gets cheaper and the arguments agency decentralization manufacturing get weaker. But even those companies for whom centralized manufacturing makes to most sense face the demand for customization technology, lower supply chain cost. Whatever changes a company make to their manufacturing and distribution process, whether it is to centralize or decentralize, enterprises resource planning software can help. In this way, we studied about the centralization and decentralization of the industry. Thank you very much.